Hello, this is Hardy King Auto Repair. Here we have 2001 BMW Z3. Today we are going to replace the air conditioning and air control panel, which is this panel right here, because the temperature control stopped working. So I'm gonna start taking some stuff apart. The first thing I'm gonna do is right on this panel there should be a screw. Should be a screw right in there, and another one right here towards the back. So I'm gonna start taking that apart, and we'll go from there. As I was saying, I kind of moved the seat, both driver seat and passenger seat. I kind of move it forward, and so this is the screw I was telling you about. There's one right here and there's one on the other side. So I'm gonna take this screw out. Then on the front side of the panel there are two screws, one right here and another one on each side. There are two on this side and there's another two on the passenger side. So we have to take those screws out. Yes, after taking both screws out, and you wanna pop this emergency brake, like the trim off on the emergency brake, and you wanna get this shifter knob out. On this one you just pull up on it and it should come off. Yes, to get this out you just have to pry this up. Pry it up like that. That way you can slide it in. When getting this piece out, you just kind of work it in there to get it out. So this one, you can do that. You can pop this one out. Yeah, this car has an aftermarket radio on. So the next thing we do is try to get that radio out, because this just, you lift this up from the back. You lift it from the back and pull back to get all this trim piece out. So you lift from the back and pull back. But I'll do that after I get this radio out, because it's holding it in from getting it out. I've got the radio out now. The next thing is to remove this screw. One on this side, there's another one on this side, and after that this old trim panel should be able to come out. one is out. I'm gonna get this other side. Just have to be careful with this. Have to do it the right way, that way you don't break any piece. So now get this thing. There's another screw. Okay, see, there's another one up here, there's another one there, so I'm gonna get that quick. I'm doing this so I don't drop the screw by accident. And we have the last one on this side. And I think now all I have to do is you have to make sure the emergency brake is pulled up, then just kind of so basically all you have to do is pull this up and you pull up, push backward. Push backward and try to get it off from this. Yeah, what I do, I kind of pull it out from behind and tilt it back, that way I can get the clip. I can get all this clip out that secures it on, then I'll be able to pull the head unit from the, I'll pull it out from the back. So I'm gonna pull it out and see what is going on. Yeah, I was able to pull it out from behind. It's just two tabs, one holding here and the other one holding here. Then just when you remove those tabs. You just pull up, then it should come out. That's what it looks like. Yeah, that's basically how to remove the HVAC, the heating and the air conditioning control panel, the control unit or control head. Thanks for watching. We'll appreciate it if you can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell and like and share. Thank you very much. You have a nice day. Bye bye. Yeah, this is just a quick follow-up video. The problem I had with this is the temperature control. This little piece of plastic broke off from this piece, which is supposed to stick in this groove as you as you adjust your temperature. Then it kind of move this. You move this end in and out, but because this piece is broken now, then we couldn't adjust the temperature. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna drill right in here and put a screw, that way you can get in this groove. Then as you adjust your temperature, you'll be able to move the blender, the temperature blender cable. So that's what I'm gonna do to fix it. I'll fix it and get back with you. Yeah, the piece that broke off is just looks like this, but the piece on the temperature side of it has broken off. So that's why we couldn't adjust our temperature from AC to 8 and from 8 to AC. I'll get back with you. Thank you. Yeah, what I did is I drilled a hole in here and I got a screw, and I'm gonna screw it in. So I'm gonna screw it in, that way you can get in between these and you can control that. Yep, so I drill a hole in here, put a screw in there, that way go straight into that groove. And now as I turn this, now it is doing what it's supposed to do. So by doing this, I should be able to control my heat and my AC. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button, the notification button, and please subscribe to my channel. Again, this is King Auto Repair. Thank you.